Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in as an administrator so you can change drivers and services. Once signed in, open Control Panel right arrow sound, pick your playback device and click Properties. This gets you to the exact place where the Enhancement tab should appear. Make sure no third-party apps are using the device, then open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game controllers. You're preparing to check drivers and services that commonly remove the Enhancement tab. Now you'll fix the drivers. Right-click the audio device in Device Manager and choose Update Driver. If that fails, uninstall the device and reboot so Windows reinstalls it. Once done, install the OEM driver from your PC maker if possible. OEM drivers restore vendor-specific tabs like enhancements. After driver work, open Services, restart Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder to reinitialize endpoints. These steps restore the control panel hooks that display the Enhancement tab and explain why vendor drivers matter for extra features. Finally, reopen Sound right arrow playback right arrow device properties. The Enhancements tab should now be visible, and you can enable or disable effects. If the tab is still missing, reinstall the full OEM audio package or roll back to an earlier driver version, because newer drivers sometimes drop vendor UI. As a key troubleshooting tip, create a fresh local user profile or run Windows' built-in audio troubleshooter. This verifies whether settings are user-specific or system-level, and it often exposes permission or profile corruption that hides the tab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.